though, you guys. I'm down. I'm down. I'm down with it. And it's a $300 kit. If FF Dubs, are you still here? Is this still a thing? Is it still $300? Has anything changed? Can you confirm? Let's see. Suspension is the design. The other two are byproducts. This is the way it's meant to be built? Fabulous. $300, you guys. This gets a... Hang on. We gotta type on it again. Hang on, before I give any. Hang on a second. 1 second. Let's see. This is light. I love that. That's nice. It's nice. That's nice. That's good. I like it. That gets a thumbs up. Let's see. Oops. Oh, that's why. Something got reset. Whew. That's nice. That's nice. That's good. That gets a thumbs up. That's a thumbs up. I like it. Suspension mount sounds clean. You get a really nice clack. You're getting a really resonant. You're getting a very high pitched response out of the spacebar, which to me is always a good sound. I like that sound. The enter is probably the weakest mod. Zuabi almost 100% certain the Envoy. Like almost like without even a second consideration would be the Envoy for sub 200. This is a great board. FF Dubs, if you are here, absolutely please, I am down to build any other protos you've got. This is a pleasure. This is a pleasure. A legitimate pleasure. I'm very, very down for this. I think this is a great board. It also, while it doesn't have the weightiness that some other boards have, it's doing a really nice thing, I think, in general with the alphas. The suspension mount is very, very nice. It's a combination of a bunch of things we already know. We've got gaskets on the bottom. We've got pour-on gaskets between the PCB and the middle piece. You've got this really nice accent coming around the outside, right? So we know that that's a thing. This is just really pretty, right? You've got the two-tone here on the back, right? This is great in general. The red is pretty. The anodization on the weight and the finishing on the weight is not something that's going to be on the final version, but in general, yeah, it's like, that's right. You get that sort of key cult mid-piece design, which is really nice. Again, flexy as hell, super comfortable, but you have the support of the mid-piece holding the plate and the PCB apart. So it's not feeling like you're just on a trampoline, but if you choose to push a little harder, then you get that response back out of it. I'm telling you, this is a very nice board. It's a very nice board. Not every proto I get is at that level, right? So that is, like I said, it's a pleasure. It's a pleasure. Everybody, we're going to call that a build. I am so happy with the way that this turned out. And I'm so happy you guys came by for recap on the meetup. It was so much fun. It feels like I've been home for like 2 seconds. I've been home for a while already because all I've thought about basically since I left was that meetup. It was such a good time. Rongdongs, thank you for coming by. I appreciate you. Tunnel Rat, you've been here almost the whole time too. Basically, I mean, there was so many. There's like 60 people here almost off the cuff. I appreciate every single one of you so much for coming to hang out. Kim, thank you so much for the raid. You brought your community here. You guys are great. For anyone that didn't hear earlier, I think we are going to be we're going to have our 2500 thank you stream near the end of June. I was about to write about my thank you. Kim, please. We don't forget you. You are the Kimlin winnest of the Kimlin wins ever. For sure. So it's the stream geo. That's perfect. There you go. We've got, yeah. So we've got on Friday, honestly, I was going to do the plate build without the suspension, but I don't know if that's really necessary. I think this kind of does what it needs. End of June, Chef's Kiss. Zuabi, you are the reason for it being end of June. And I appreciate the heck out of you. Spoiler alert, Zuabi has something to do with the thank you stream. Again, no pressure. So we've got no, Zuabi, it's all good. It's all good. We have keycap sets, GMK keycap sets to give away. We have at least 10 artisans, desk mats. We've got cables. We've got soldering mats. We've got all kinds of stuff. It's going to be freaking fabulous. We'll see. We might even have a keyboard or two. I don't know. There's so much stuff. There's so much stuff to give away. As per usual, it'll be crazy. I will yell at you. I will explain how shipping works. It will be the same nonsense as always, right? It will just be the same nonsense as always. So I hope you guys can come by and enjoy and win some stuff. Hopefully the homies get stuff because that's my favorite. I just like it better when the homies get stuff. Man, we've got a bunch of toys here on the shelf. We could give all kinds of stuff away. I gotta tell you, we can give all kinds of stuff away. Thank you so much to Trailblazer and in general Fat Free Water for reaching out, hooking me up with this build. You guys heard it. I think it sounds great. I'm lucky. Gundam kits. That's a good idea. Let's give away some Gundam kits. You guys like Gundam kits? We'll give away some Gundam kits. I'll get some. I'll bring some in. Oh man, we got switches for days. We got switches. Oh frick! I haven't even heard back from some of my affiliates. So for all we've got actually some very cool stuff. Actually, I just realized one of my affiliates actually reached out to me Okay, so spoiler alert, if you know what's up with my affiliates, and you guys know who my affiliates are, then you know we've got stuff. You know we've got some good stuff. You know we've got good stuff. I forgot. We're gonna have so much freaking stuff. I'm gonna have to take a day off work again. Should we do a midday, like all day, like 12-hour? Should we just like go hard on this one again? I think we might have to. I mean, right? Like, I think we might have to. I know some people in this hobby, they sell some stuff and they love giving stuff away. Rapid fire giveaways for 12 hours. It's like, punk, that's what I did last time, right? I may have to book that off. If you guys have votes for which day, let me know. Atari hooked us up with another 40, so... Oh god, I have to work as a mod. Kim, I will make it as easy as possible. In fact, I might be able to even just do it myself. The only thing that will be difficult is the address collection. Yeah, you know I will. You know how we do. We don't put up with that shit. Okay, so we will figure that out. Let's do those 40. Let's start figuring out. Let's see who's. Oh, hang on. Let me plug this back in. Man, I gotta tell you, I like this keyboard, you guys. I'm gonna have to figure out from Fat-Free when I have to send this back because I might take this to work if they don't need it back right away. What am I doing? Oh yeah, Twitch. Let's go see who's streaming. Let's mute that site. Who do we got? Patricia is doing World of Warcraft. No one is streaming. We need a Phil streamer or a European streamer. No, Europe's too early. We need someone in Philippines or Australia to go live. You gotta keep streaming. We need someone. Yeah, I appreciate you guys. Okay, here's the 40. Start thinking about who we can pressure into going live. You know. We can rate Patty too. We can rate Patty. We appreciate the heck out of Patty. Here we go. Are we ready to whatever? What do we got here? Where is or? Yeah, exactly. I'm gonna need sleeps. Okay, just chill. We're gonna do these 40 right now. I'm a giant nerd. Let's go liquid. Let's go. Yeah, Patty's still wowing. I think wowing us all. Okay. I was close. I got a little ambitious there. Okay, this is the cue content. Oh, okay. Oh my god. Okay. I start to panic. I gotta tell you guys, it really freaks me out too when no one's live. I'm like, how am I gonna relax if my friends aren't talking to me 24/7? I don't understand. Do you guys get that? Galbozone, hello, and thank you. But arigato, that's kind of how I feel, right? That's how I feel. I don't know if you feel the same way. Okay. Let's do one super quick thing, only because we love Patty. It's hard for her to interact when she's raiding, though. It's the only thing. So if we need someone to talk to us, it's trickier. Let's see. Let's just go check out Makers and Crafting super quick, and we'll see what's up, because Let's just see what's up. Who do we got? Maybe there's someone new. You know? Look at this guy. What is this? Who's gonna click on this? Idiot. Who's gonna click on this idiot? Look at this guy. Oh, hang on. There. Like, wait a minute. This idiot. This is the idiot I'm talking about. Let's see. Do we have any unknown keywords? We got Gundamers. Gundummers. No. Nothing. All right. Patty it is. Patty it is. Lumi. The reason for the command is because, full disclosure, Dispatch Cables is my company. So I appreciate you. But if you have any questions, let me know. Turtle Award winner. We lost her? No. Did she go offline? She did. Did she? Oh my God. Now we gotta find someone brand new? I thought I saw a keep. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Was there really? Okay, I got, let's go see. Was it someone we knew? Nova, give me the name. Do you know who it was? Let me see. Makers and crafting. Makers puzzles, making things, builds a Lego Luke. No. Makers. What? How come I didn't get the? Okay, here we go. This is not a keyboard. This is Rivendell, Lego. There's this loser. Brand new streamer. Brand new? Are they in M&C though? I see no key. Yeah. Just search via the tag. Hang on. Punctu says, is he? Oh. Oh, daily keyboard things. Yes, also no. I see that. I see that. Okay, you guys are laughing at me. Oh God. No. Oh God. Nova. There's no beef. It's just Issy doesn't interact with chat as much. Sometimes he does. It's not my vibe. It's not my vibe. Like, I don't have a beef with Izzy. Like, he's great. Everyone does what they, what they're comfy with on stream. Like, he's cool. Okay, let's go surprise somebody. Let's go find someone. Should we be in M&C or should we do gaming? He's a good guy. He's a very good guy. He fixes stuff. He's like super helpful. It's all good. It's all good. Into a cringe just chatting. Oh my God. Just chatting. Oh God. This late night just chatting though in NA is gonna be someone just like farming subs. We're not. Look at this. Like, you guys just. Oh my God. No, I can't do it. I can't do it. It's like they're just farming money. I'm like, you guys. I can't. Farmers gotta make. Hey, listen. If you guys can go watch whoever you want, you guys go watch whoever you want. I'm not judging. Give her. Like, it's all good. It's all good. Go. Listen, everyone's got to get theirs. I'm not judging what or why. I'm just saying it's not for me. It's all good. It's all good. Listen. Get paid. Just saw my boy Vincent? Who? Patsy's. Hit me with a link. Hit me with a link. I'm down. We can go check gaming. We gaming? Vincent Faust? Salami? We got salamis in chat now? For another 5-6. Oh, really? Okay. Vincent. Oh, yeah, I guess. It's like lunch. It's like 1 p.m. Vincent Faust. Tarot card readings for chat? This is like Eve. We should get Eve going live. Vincent has 84 viewers. Patsy's, you're into this. Anyone have a better suggestion than Vincent doing tarot cards? You imagine streaming during the workday? Couldn't be you, Nova. Vincent Faust. What kind of DJ? Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Like, I'm not against it, but if no one else has anything to recommend, that's basically where we're going to go. That's basically where we're off to. I watch sumo wrestling, live tournaments. Stiletto, that's like, I got nothing but a bed calling. Punk shoe. I hear your bed calling me too. Okay, let's go and say hi to Vincent. We've got at least one. Hey, yo. Okay, we've got here. Let's raid Vincent Faust. This is the most random raid ever. Okay, everybody, we're raiding Vincent. He does tarot card readings. I'm not sure what's up, but by all means... Oh, he's doing a partner push. That's even better. We're going to get him up. We're going to get his freaking numbers up. Okay, that's worth it. That's worth it. Hang on. Full 360 on this one. Full worth it. Okay. Everybody... See who gets the dub? Yeah, I'm down. So this... what is it? What's today? This Friday, we're going to start on Burglar's keyboard. And we'll see. It'll probably take 2 streams, so I'll probably have to wait until Sunday to wrap up. This Sunday, we've got a bunch more stuff in the queue. We've got at least 2 unicorns, 1 Kohaku, a 722, and a bunch of other stuff ready to rock. So we've got nothing but bangers for the next like 2 months. We've got a giveaway stream in a little bit. We're going to play some Tears of the Kingdom. And yeah, whatever. If you guys are down to hang, I would love to have you. Can't wait to get back into it. She does. We appreciate Em though. Man, it was so good to meet her too. Just big hugs. Her and her partner both fabulous. You guys have a good rest of the week. We'll see you on Friday. Be good to each other. Stay chill on the net. Peace.